Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all the Jupyter notebooks via Streamlit web application. So today's topic is Apple stock price prediction. As the name suggests Apple, we know that Apple is a great company. So we should invest in its stock as well. So we have created a web application using Streamlit in which we takes various parameters as input for our model, and we will predict the price of the Apple stock. So the name of our first column is high, which means the what is the highest value of the Apple stock. For instance, we will take it as 12,000, and what was the open amount of the Apple stock, we will take it as 15,000, and the lowest we will take 10,000. We will click on predict button. Then we can see that the predicted stock price is 96 lakh around something. So this is the web application for Apple stock price prediction. If you want to see the source code behind this, you can check in the file. You can find the app.py file, model file, app.py file. In this file you will get all the source code. So what is HiDevs community? HiDevs community is the world's first open community which will get you through your second round of interview through our various resources. If you are facing trouble in how to start data science, how to improve your resume, how to improve your communication skill, then HiDev is here for you. We will create a personal mock interview for you. We will create a session to improve your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile. We will help you work on real world projects. All those things are free of cost. We will also provide one-on-one mentorship. You can check our website. The link is given in the description. If you want to know the whole source code for the Apple's stock price prediction, the link is given for the GitHub Jupyter notebook. You can check from there. Thank you.